Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. Once again, this is Ian. We're going to continue with the card business in a box style tutorials. This is a really simple way of getting clients really quickly. I would actually argue on day one, maybe even hour one, if you do this the right way. It's especially useful if you're targeting local businesses or your agency is a local one. I'm going to just do this extemporaneously. In other words, I'm going to do this live without really any planning. I'm going to show you how to embed Wall of Love Google reviews for free directly on a card site that you can use to sell to clients. So let's just pick a random business, in my community. Let's say Wok and Roll Chinese Food, Cherry Hill, New Jersey. All right, random place that we get food from all the time. Really delicious. It wants to know which particular place. So I'm going to fetch the reviews. I think I picked the right one from this one. And here are the reviews. Actually, it's it looks like the wrong place. It's Walk and Roll. This picked it from China Walk, but again, you can sort of filter this and improve the result again by dint of making sure that places like this aren't confused for this. All right, so let's build our wall of love. It's going to add 18 Google reviews. It's going to give us the code. We can change the um, the appearance. In this case, we want the lighter theme because I'm actually going to be using a card landing page that's a little lighter. It's this one here. Let's edit it. And we're going to scroll down. Here is the space, the widget, the code spot or slot that I sort of set aside for the code. We're going to go right here. We're going to remove what was already there. We're going to paste that in. This is a template, so I'm not going to make too many changes to the text, but obviously here you would write China Walk, blah, 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 our wall of love or our newsletter or subscribe for a discount, whatever you want there. We're going to save this. We're going to publish this. And let's see if those reviews are now live on our site. They should be. They should also be light in color so they match the aesthetic of this page. And they are, right? So now you have reviews from, the public locally here in a landing page built on card that is featuring all of their great reviews. In this case, again, a Chinese restaurant. I would argue if you're selling services to, therapists, mental health professionals, chiropractors, financial advisors, CPAs, doctors, dentists, florists. This is probably even a better template for that sort of niche because you're actually front and center leading with your opt-in form, which you can sell a newsletter-based service and their reviews. And it's probably likely that a Chinese restaurant like this one here, which has delicious food, is not going to be a great candidate for a newsletter, at least in my local community. Okie doke, very easy. That's a business in a box that you can start today. There is absolutely minimal cost associated with this. You need to have a card account and you need to have a template like this, but there are analogous templates that you can find in the wild that will do the same thing in terms of design. I just happen to like this aesthetic for our own brand and business. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Again, the Google reviews are free. Like that's actually a free service being offered by the testimonial software that I recommend. And it just doesn't get any easier than that. You can actually do a video just like this one for your own target market, your niche neighbors, your professional peers, teaching them how to do exactly what I'm teaching you, and you're going to get clients signing up sort of by accident, right? They're going to be like, oh my God, I got a shit ton of great Google reviews and I got a website. How do I actually, get that set up ASAP in time for the holidays? Or they'll say, I don't have a website, and how do I create exactly what you just showed me, without, breaking my budget? And don't forget, you can actually copy these and paste them anywhere you want. This could be on WordPress, on Ghost. It could kind of be, a suitable offer, even if you don't have any interest in card. Let's say you're working with Framer, or you're working with WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, all those other style services. It's really easy. And I would argue, if you're struggling to come up with an irresistible offer for your own clients and community, this is a great place to begin. Thanks so much. As always, I appreciate you. More stuff coming, and I appreciate you watching.